If you want to make a clean 3-video collage in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to stack or place 3 videos side by side or in a collage layout using CapCut step by step. This is perfect for reaction videos, comparisons, tutorials, before and after edits, or any project where you want multiple clips on screen at the same time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut guides. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and click New Project. This will take you into the editor where you can start building your collage from scratch. Next, import your 3 videos into the project. You can select all 3 at once so they're ready to use right away. After that, choose the ratio under the preview player. This is important because your collage layout needs to fit the platform you're posting to, whether that's YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or a regular widescreen video. Once your ratio is set, drag the first video down to the timeline. This first clip will act as your base layer, so it's the one you'll place first. Then add the other 2 videos as overlay tracks. In CapCut, overlays let you place extra clips on top of your main video, which is exactly what you need for a collage-style edit. Now select each video clip one at a time. When a clip is selected, go to the Video tab, then open Basic from the right panel. This is where you'll find the main controls you need for positioning your clips. Start adjusting scale and position for each video. For video 1, move it to the left or the top depending on the collage style you want. For video 2, place it in the center. And for video 3, move it to the right or the bottom. The idea is to arrange all 3 clips so they fit neatly together without covering each other in an awkward way. If needed, keep adjusting the scale until each video looks balanced in the frame. You can also make small position changes until the collage looks clean and professional. Once your clips are placed, preview the collage by playing the timeline from the start. This helps you check whether all 3 videos are aligned properly and whether anything needs to be moved a little more. If one clip looks too large or too small, just go back and fine-tune the scale and position settings. After everything looks good, click Export to save your final collage video. Choose your export settings, wait for CapCut to finish rendering, and your 3-video collage is ready to upload or share. So that's how you collage 3 videos in CapCut quickly and easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more CapCut tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.